Hi Daniel, it's Onur, and today I will try to do role play for my assessment. Right, first of all, I will talk about the topic of the assessment. So, as a production supervisor at a company that named Global Green Books Publishing, we have a weekly mentoring session with Samantha, uh, which she is a project manager. In this session, we discuss any issues and reflect on the progress of our team, my team, and the project. So I have to answer four questions, and first of all, I will read the questions, then I will answer it. So, first question is gonna be use resource loading to determine what tasks require which human resources. So, second question is gonna be match individual and the group tasks with staff competencies. Third question is utilize the resource leveling methodology to allocate staff to project in order to meet project scope and the deadline. And the fourth last question is explain what other methods, techniques may help solve the production issues and support staff engagement and performance. So, right, that these are the questions that I have to answer it. So, for the first question, my answer is in my job as a production supervisor, I had to break down all the tasks into smaller pieces as possible, so that I could meet the needs of all the people who needed to work. Later, I was able to look at each job's unique requirements and make sure I had all the skills I needed to do it well. Then, using resource loading and analyze is done to decide which tasks to give to each person based on their levels and skills, their total available working hours, and the limit for the project. So that was my first answer, and we'll go to my second answer. Is gonna be once the above step is done, I only had to learn about the Global Green Book Publishing Organization's profile and its skills in order to link them to the duties. Some important steps are taken to match tasks with the skills of staff, such as clearly defining the different jobs in the Global Green Book Publishing Organization, such as copy editor, illustrator. Then tools like 360 Learning or SurveyMonkey are used to get a clear picture of the staff's skills. Based on the review results, tasks are matched with the skills of the staff. So we'll go to my third answer right now. And the resource leveling technique helps to figure out when a job will be done. For the suggested project, I carefully looked at the results of similar projects done in the past. In particular, I looked at how the method of resource leveling was used to identify possible staff shortages and surpluses, and stop making some mistake on this and also other projects. And for the last question, my answer is gonna be implementing benchmarks are some of the most important methods used by the Global Green Book Publishing Organization to solve production problems. By using benchmarking, the ebooks that are made will be measured against high-level competitors in different ways. This will help reach the goal of fixing the problem. It's also important to keep the Global Green Book Publishing staffs clear performance evaluation plan up to date, as this will help to track their progress and see how it affects the whole project. It's also important to keep the staff motivated because it lets them know how their actions affect the project. So these are the four of my questions for the four of my answers for the questions in the assessment. Thank you for listening, Daniel. See you.